Today we are in the beautiful village of Corlim, which is next to Old Goa in Iliash, Tiswari. This is our 96th fest. It's called the EKVOTTACHEM fest. In simply translated, means a festival of unity. Today, being Republic Day, it's a great day in India's history. We had to do something which is, showcasing our unity. So we had our Hindu brothers, our Muslim brothers, Catholic brothers together with their families and children, and we tried to showcase our food, our heritage, our music, and our culture. The festival is being held in our host, Mariano and Perpetua Ferrao, and their neighbors. So it was very nice of them to give us the space. We can do festivals, but we need space, time. So we started at 4 o'clock with our heritage pasoe. Pasoe means a walk. So we walked around their garden, identifying the different trees of Goa, the fruit trees. We saw some mango trees, jackfruit, tamarind across the way. And we were lucky that the Dean of Goa College of Agriculture was with us. And he explained the benefits of the fruits and the trees and the leaves. Then we came further to the actual venue, which was dressed with local things available from Mariano's house. So he has gumots, table, chairs, old heritage as you see here. These are all Goan heritage. Here we had in Konkani we have something called Balkaoncha Gozali, which means we sit in our front yards, courtyards, and we talk. So we had Miguel Braganza, famous horticulturist, with us, senior journalist of the Hindu, Mr. Prakash Kamath, with us. And we all discuss about the Kazan lands, the agriculture, and the future. After that, we had 3 different workshops. So the Catholics, when we come to for Christmas time, we like to have patoyos, pure. Today we did something called Nashnanche Ladu, which is made of ragi. The millets were 2024, the United Nations spoke about making millets a food for the future. So we showcased that. Then we had a second workshop on Shirvo, I think it's called. Yeah, this is what the Muslims, distribute among us during Eid. And we had another dish done about pinag. Yeah, pinag is one of our favorite sweets in Goa. So we had a Catholic, a Hindu, and a Muslim showcasing the sweets of Goa, which was really nice. And among us, there was a bit of dance, there was a bit of talk, but there was connection of people. That was the main thing. There was so much connectivity, networking. Lots of people met lots of people. But I want to thank Mr. Carmelito Andrade himself for surprising me. And I mean, amazing. We've reached 96 fest and soon we will be reaching 100. So he's come up with a genius idea of making a calendar called Festakar calendar 2025 this year. So there are some of my festivals here. We've got 96, but there are 12 which is here, the Kazunche Fest, the Ponsache Fest, Mango Festival, and Patoyos. So this is like a documentation for future that these festivals were done. So we move on to our 97th Fest, which is going to be held on the 23rd of February in the beautiful village of Chinchini. And then one from March is already ready, a festival for disabled community and everybody else at Home Science College in Panjim. So we wait for you all to come and thank you so much for your support.
What about the exhibits on the site? Can you
Yeah.
mention a few things about
Yeah, so whenever we do our festivals, we want to showcase, go out to the next generation. So we showcase today the vegetables that are growing at this time of the year in Goa, like tamde bhaji, the lady fingers, we had cucumbers and a few other things. Other thing is the breads. We've got amazing breads of Goa. So there are about 7, 8 different breads of Goa. They have names, exotic names like kankon, undo, pollo, katre. So the breads were exhibited, and the gumots and the pottery instrument. So this is perhaps one of the oldest instrument in the world called the gumot. It's now the state instrument of Goa. 2017, 2019, the government of Goa has made the gumot the state instrument. And with this, we had a Kotyans or Nath, which is the coconut shells, with Dr. Gwendolyn, the Ornelas, our co-curator, leading the dance. And we cannot forget in all this organized chaos that we had today, Mariano and Perpetua Ferrao, who are the hosts of this fest. They have been very patient with us for the whole last week preparing for this fest. And if you see, they've got, these are their items from their home. And every house in Goa has got these items. You know, we need to save it and showcase for the next generation. He's got some, I think he's into fishing. So he's got some fishing nets, crab catchers, and brooms. He does brooms as well. So many things. So thank you very much for everyone for your support.
गांवांत सांदिस्ता वांचो पुढे रावता कोल्लीम आणि मावरीस फेस्ताकार आमी ओल्ड गोवा एक्सपोजिशनाच्या टायमाचेर आमचे कन्वर्सेशन हें जालें एक फेस्त घडोवन हाडया म्हणूंक लागलो एकवटाचें सो ओके म्हटलें आपणाक म्हणूंक लागलो एक प्लेस जाय म्हणलें तो काय म्हजी केन्ना प्लेस पळोवंक नासली एक दीस हाडलो आनी दाखयलें ही वॉज हॅपी हांवें म्हज्या फॅमिलीक सांगलें आता कशें करूंक जाय तो म्हणूंक लागलो हो सेटअप आहा हिंदू क्रिस्टियन मुस्लीम एक युनिटी दाखोवया बरो कॉन्सेप्ट म्हटलें बरो आहा आनी आय लायक इट आनी म्हजे एक शेजाऱ्याक आहा मुस्लीम सायडीक हिंदू आहा आनी आमी क्रिस्टियन एकठांय जाली ते कडेन आदार केलो आनी दे सेट गो हेड आनी आयज तुमी पयल्या जातलें कशें जालां पळय तें सो त्याच मध्ये म्हणूंक लागलो आमकां नेचराचें कितें आहा पळय तें आयज काल येदे व्हडले जागे आनी हे भाटान तुका चडशी हें जायना सगळें कॉम्पॅक्ट सोसायटीच जाल्यार कॉम्पॅक्ट आनी धाकटें हें आहा आनी मोकडेन एक प्लेस आहा म्हणून तर हांवें एक मोकडेन ती झाडां रोयल्या ही जायतीं झाडां रोवपाक जाता एक फ्रूट बेरींग ट्रीज आहा मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स आहा जावं टिंबरूय आहा ती हांवें हाडले रोयिल्ल्या कडेन आहा आयज म्हाका बऱ्याक पडली तुमच्या मदें लोक येयल्लो हिंगा आहा पळय तो फेस्ताच्या हेच्या ह्या निवेदन दाखोवपाक बाबा ही फ्रूट बेरींग ट्रीज आहा टिंबर ट्रीज आहा मेडिसिनल ट्रीज आहा ही प्लांट केल्ली ती आनी म्हाका हांवें हॅपी जालो हें आयज जें पळय रोवन काडलेली आनी म्हज्या मिसिसान आनी भुरग्यांनी पळय येतात ते उदक तेच भायर मोकडेन भुरगे आहा थोडे कामाक तेणी आदार दिवन म्हाका एक ही झाडांचो एक एनवायरमेंट आनी कशें सांबाळपाचो म्हजो चड हें आहा न्ही तुमी जाणात हांव भोंवता पळय तो एनवायरमेंटाक लागून आनी त्याच पद्दतीन हांवें म्हजें हिंगा घरानूय रावता आनी ह्या एरियान हांव म्हजें एनवायरमेंट सामान आनी व्हडलीं झाडां रोवन कितें आहा पळय तें एक नेचराचें मोकडेन जाता त्या वतलुगना करतलो
मोठे ओल्ड म्हणटा तूं केदो तुवें तें तुका याद आहा केदो हें घुमट कोण घेवन येयल्लो आनी कितें ती खबर
हें घुमट म्हाका दिसता मोर दॅन 30 years जातली न्हू आमगेर घरा कडेनूच आमचो एक तित्यो आसलो आतां ते म्हाका मेवलां पळय तें मोर दॅन 30 years म्हणजे ताणें म्हाका हें दिल्लें आनी तेका आसली पयली हेची कात आमची गाराची मॉनिटर लिझर्ड आमी गार म्हणटा ताका आतां ती गाराची एक एनवायरमेंटाक लागून आनी एंडेंजर्ड स्पिसीस आहा म्हणून ती आमकां हें जायना आनी आसलें पळय तें हें काडून हांवें ती पिड्यार हें जाल्ली तें हें करून हें आतां ही पळय गव्हर्मेंट रेकग्नायज आहा हेची ती आमकां चडशी दिसता बोकड्याची ती घालून हें आतां घुमट हें करता त्या घुमटाक पळयतोच तुमी कळटलें केन्ना जें खंय तें सिजन जाल्ल्या कडेन आहा फेस्ताकार आनी आमचो हॅपी रिपब्लीक डे म्हणपाक हांवें विसरलो आयज आमचो रिपब्लीक डे एन्ड ऑन दॅट रिपब्लीक डेन फेस्ताकार मौरिसान एक एकवटाचें फेस्त म्हणजे एक आमी पळयनासतना भेदभाव करनासतना विदावट एनी डिफरन्सीस ही हॅज ब्रॉट द कम्युनिटी टुगेदर एंड इट हॅज ऑलवेज बीन हियर इन गोवा आयज पोत्तून आमी गोंयकार आहात पळय हेच हेतून आमचें डिवायड जावंक ना हिंदू मुस्लीम क्रिस्टियन पळय आहा आमी आहाच बराबरी आहा म्हणून त्या फेस्ता आयच्या मौरीस फेस्ताकारान हें केलां पयला आमचो गोंयचो एकवट आहा तसोच इंडियेचो आमचो एकवट आसचो म्हणून हांव